experts answer these questions.
Health experts from the Ministry of Health, the Pharmaceutical Association of Uganda, National Drug Authority and others met today for a session organized by Twaweza Africa to discuss COVID-19 prescriptions, herbal remedies and self-medication. Key on the agenda was Covidex, a local herbal medicine that's been labeled a COVID cure. According to the ministry's spokesperson, Emmanuel Nebiona, it is selling faster than clients can get their hands on it on the black market. That's even before it has completed the minimum basic safety procedures by National Drug Authority.
People are giving testimonies. So what has NDA done to ensure that they follow up this specific product, which is now, I can say, on the black market?
Even experts on the panel believed the herbal medicine has some level of protection against COVID-19 severity, but little has been done to assess the likely side effects it poses.
I'm commenting from the angle of one who has had a patient and used Covidex on this patient.
We have a moral dilemma and a moral obligation. Should you stop, for example, the manufacture and use of this medicine because we've not had all the clinical trial processes done, while at the same time there are people who are benefiting from this formulation? This is the moral obligation.
It is 10 days now. We haven't received the feedback. As Dr. Nambatia said, he is able, he's not a herbalist, he's a professor. He should be able to answer questions that are basic. Because if it was being busy, the medicine shouldn't be in production, because it takes more time for you to produce than to answer questions.
Professor Patrick Ogwang, the famed professional herbalist behind Covidex, had been invited to attend this meeting via Zoom but opted out of it. For their part, the National Drug Authority say they are engaging him on the final approvals for the drug. What's clear is that many Ugandans are willing to look for Covidex even on the black market against NDA warning. And it's getting sensitive as the regulator might be seen to fight local innovation. Unless Covidex is cleared, it might turn out to be one of those popular self-medication products which experts still warn the public about.
I want the public to know that we are not trying to prevent Covidex. We are saying, please, can you first just notify? And when the medicine is not notified to be allowed into the pharmacies, it is going to be in people's homes. We are going to have all the challenges we talked about here. Yes. Why don't you start from what is needed so that we solve the issues of self-medication?
As a country, we need to try to avoid self-medicating. It's really dangerous.
Very, very important is that there is a silent battle we are fighting against drug resistance. Someone mentioned low-middle income, colleague who can't afford Western medicine. It will get worse with AMR. Even that which you can afford right now, once it stops becoming effective, we will have to resort to more expensive drugs from the start.
Uganda is currently battling a resurgence of COVID-19 infections, but also misconceptions about the ailment. For instance, a study done by Twaweza Africa between November and December 2020 indicates that 50% of Ugandans in Kampala believe a person who shows no symptoms cannot spread the virus. 46% think COVID-19 cannot spread in hot weather. A further 46% think drinking concoctions cures COVID-19. The study also shows that 45% think COVID-19 is a germ weapon created in a lab, while 37% think people who have recovered from COVID-19 should be avoided to prevent the spread. Health experts have dismissed all these myths, but those who live by them are reluctant to abandon them.